A media report citing a study is claiming that the herb Diaspora carifolia TC, commonly known as giloy, causes liver damage. But here is a question arises. That is exactly true. Can giloy really have a bad effect on your liver? So here is the Ministry of Ayush have issued a statement challenging the finding of a study that linked into the herb giloy to liver damage. Hello everyone, I am your host Aradhna Maurya and you are watching Social Talks. The study published in the Journal of Critical and Experimental Hepatology mentioned that the use of herb Diaspora carifolia, TC, commonly known as giloy or gulchi, resulted in liver failure in 6 patients in Mumbai. But the ministry, however, said that relating giloy or TC to liver damage would be misleading. To the traditional medicine system of India, a herb gulchi or giloy has been used in Ayurveda since long. The efficiency of TC is managing various disorders as well established. There are many studies that point out that identifying the herb not correctly could lead to wrong results. A similar looking herb, Tinospora crispa, might have a negative effect on the liver. So before labeling a herb such as giloy with the toxic nature, the authors should have tried to correctly identify the plants following the standard guidelines, which they did not. Other than this, the study has many flaws. It is unclear that what dose the patients had taken or whether they took this herb with other medicines. The study has not taken into account the past or present medical records of the patients. So here are some benefits of giloy. Giloy can be helpful in boosting immunity. It is packed with antioxidants and can help one fight off free radicals and disease-causing germs. It is beneficial in removing toxins from the body, purifies blood and help combat urinary tract infections and liver disease. Giloy also helps in controlling diabetes by improving your body's blood glucose levels. Giloy carries anti-inflammatory powers found in the immortal herb that can help to deal with the common respiratory issues such as cough, cold, even tonsillitis. It can boost your memory, help you can down and tackle stress. Giloy is also enhance digestion and treating bowel-related issues. Giloy plant has anti-aging properties that help manage dark spots, pimples, fine lines and wrinkles. If we talk about giloy during COVID-19 pandemic, so almost 70% of the Indian population consumed giloy in some form during COVID-19. It has been a part of clinical trials conducted by various Ayurvedic institutions. If the herb had any adverse effect, then it would have been noticed in one study published in the World Journal. Can giloy cause liver damage? There is no concrete evidence for this yet. While there are no serious or potential side effects of the herb, in some cases it can cause constipation or lower blood sugar levels. Also avoid giloy if you are pregnant or breastfeed a baby. Anything consumed in excess can be harmful to health, so have it in the quantity recommended by the doctors. Thank you so much for watching.